for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for boat, sailing on the fleet. C is for car, zooming so fast. D is for duck, quacking as it passed. E is for eagle, soaring so high. F is for frog, leaping to the sky. G is for grapes, in a purple bunch. H is for horse, galloping to lunch. I is for igloo, icy and cold. J is for jam, tasty and bold. K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee. L is for lamp, shining brightly. M is for moon, glowing at night. N is for nest, for birds in flight. O is for orange, full of juice. P is for parrot, who loves to amuse. Q is for queen, with a royal flair. R is for rocket, shooting through the air. S is for star, twinkling so bright. T is for train, taking us to new heights. U is for umbrella, when the raindrops fall. V is for violin, play music for all. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, a musical key. Y is for yacht, sailing away. Z is for zebra, striped and gray.